Hey everyone, welcome to a quick animated journey through one of biology's coolest concepts, passive transport. If you've ever wondered how stuff gets in and out of your cells without any effort, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First up, what is passive transport? In simple terms, it's the movement of molecules across a cell membrane without using any energy from the cell. Imagine things just drifting in and out, no batteries required. So, why is passive transport important? Well, it's absolutely essential for life. It helps cells get the nutrients they need and get rid of waste, all while saving energy. Without passive transport, cells would be working overtime just to stay alive. Let's zoom in on simple diffusion, the most classic example. Picture a crowded room. If someone opens a bottle of perfume, the scent spreads out by itself, moving from where it's strongest to where it's weakest. That's diffusion. Molecules moving from high to low concentration, no energy needed. Now, imagine this happening in your body. Oxygen moves from your lungs into your blood by simple diffusion. It just slips right through the cell membranes, keeping you alive and kicking. But not everything can squeeze through the membrane so easily. Some molecules need a little help. That's where facilitated diffusion comes in. Here, special proteins act like doors, letting bigger or charged molecules slip through, still without using energy. Think of it like an automatic door at the mall. You don't push it open, it just senses you and lets you through. That's facilitated diffusion in action. Next up is osmosis, which is just the diffusion of water. Water wants to move from a place where there's lots of it to a place where there's less, all through a semi-permeable membrane. Imagine soaking a raisin in water. Water rushes into the raisin, making it plump. That's osmosis happening right before your eyes. But osmosis isn't just about water moving. It's also about tonicity, or how solutions affect cell size. Let's break it down. In a hypertonic solution, the environment outside the cell has more solutes than inside, so water leaves the cell, causing it to shrink, like a grape turning into a raisin. If the cell is in a hypotonic solution, there's more water outside than inside, so water rushes in and the cell swells up, sometimes too much. And in an isotonic solution, the water moves in and out at equal rates, so the cell stays just right. No swelling, no shrinking. So, in a nutshell, passive transport is your body's way of moving molecules and water around. No energy needed, just a little help from nature. And with that, you've got the basics down. Thanks for joining me on this animated science journey. See you next time.